Hi guys, welcome back. This is Leena. So this video is for all you new brides out there who are about to get married and who are like really tense right now, and you don't know how to take care of your skin before the wedding. So brides, I know there's a lot of work, there's the wedding where you have to decide all the venue, invitation cards, etc. Plus you have to take care of your skin and you have to, think about your look. So I recently got married and, I've followed all these steps. I know I couldn't do everything, but I know what y'all could do. I'm here to help y'all. So firstly, the first thing that y'all need to do is CTM. It's the most important thing. So it's cleansing, toning and moisturizing. So if you have at least 6 months in your hand, make sure you continuously cleanse your face, tone your face and moisturize your face. If you clean your face, dirt won't go inside your pores. And and once you clean your face, your pores will also open. To close that, you need a toner. So you need to tone your skin. And of course, you need to moisturize your skin because your skin needs to glow for your wedding. So this is the first important thing that you all should do almost every day if you have time. CTM, just keep that in your mind. And facials, of course, facials are really good. If you have at least 6 months in your hand, keep doing it every month. And if you don't have a lot of time, do it at least, once, twice a week. So, you have enough time to, do your facial. So facial will really glow your skin, will make your skin softer. And if you don't have time at all, you could use the 24 karat gold facial as well, which could be done every week, I guess. So ask your beautician and make sure you do that. And keep your hands and nails clean. Make sure you pedicure and manicure. This will help your hands look really nice and soft. Also, you'll have really good nails. And if you do not have time, if this is the end moment, guys, get your nail extensions done. These are really good. It looks really nice. So I got it done for my wedding, and I love nail extensions. So this is a little bit that you all could do for your hands and nails, hands and feet. And the next thing is to take care of your hair. So the most important is to keep doing spa. So if you have at least 3 months, go for a spa. You want your hair to look nice and shiny for your wedding. So do spa, at least if you can't do that, apply egg to your hair. This will really, make your hair nice and soft. You can do that. So once you've taken care of your hair, the next thing is to eat right. Guys, even if you've done all of this and you're not eating or sleeping in time, this will not help. Make sure you eat properly time to time, and don't go onto a strict diet thing. You do, if you want to lose weight, diet, and also work out. Workout will remove some me time for yourself, and then you will feel fresh and you will have the energy to go and do this big wedding of yours well, and you sleep well. So it's really important to sleep for at least 8 hours, 7 to 8 hours, because you do not want dark circles for your wedding. So make sure you sleep well as well. And the other important thing that you all need to do is do not do like a facial or bleach right before the wedding, because if you have any skin allergies, it would really ruin your skin. You will not look good with all the rashes. So make sure that you do this at least 1 week before the wedding. And also, if you are allergic to any food and all, make sure you don't eat outside food before the wedding. You do not want to fall sick. And also there are other makeup products that first you test it. If you're taking trials, do take a lot of trials before the wedding. You should also see if the makeup is suitable for your skin. So do all of this and go ahead, enjoy your wedding. Firstly, you have to be stress free, and the most important thing is smile. Just relax and smile and enjoy your wedding. Guys, these were a few tips for all you new brides out there. And if you have any more questions about my wedding look or my makeup, anything, you can ask me on the section down below. And also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Gowda Official. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Please don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you. Bye.